What's up guys, welcome to my latest channel. At this meeting I will discuss how to upgrade RAM on laptop. Let me introduce, my name is Waryadi, you can call me Wari, and I'm from Indonesia. Well, first you must know what is RAM. RAM is short for random access memory. And what RAM function for? 1. Accelerate information processing performance for computer. And 2. Help save temporary memory. And 3. Determine specification of a computer. And 4. To run the application in multitasking. Okay, I will show the RAM on my laptop, which was originally 2GB, and I will upgrade it to 6GB. Why 6GB? Yes, because my default RAM is 2GB. If coupled with 4GB capacity, it will be 6GB. Okay. Here I use the Vigen brand RAM with 4GB capacity. Okay, you can see it. If you want to buy RAM, please adjust to your needs. In the need for daily use, don't force yourself to buy RAM that use the good chip, which enter the category overclocking edition. You can use RAM by a good chipset RAM and supported cooling, heatsink, fan as well as Corsair product. Okay, then how to upgrade it? Prepare the tool and material first. And this is a screwdriver for open the back of a laptop. And 2, this is RAM. And 3, laptop dedicated pin upgraded it is RAM. I use Asus X450C. Okay, I will check my RAM first before upgrading by press Windows plus R. After that, type TXDIA and press enter. Okay, loading. It slowly. Okay, you can see my memory is 2GB RAM, and I will be upgrade is 6GB. You can see it. After that, I will shut down my laptop. Okay, after that, open the back cover of the laptop using a screwdriver. Yes, this is a screwdriver. Once open, you can see there is an okay, and open the back cover. Okay, you can see there is an empty slot between. Yes. The see both how to install it. Okay, I'm open the RAM. It's so very difficult. Okay, you can see on the right and left there is like a clamp. It is function to clamp the RAM to strong and not waver. After that, how to put it on position shall be tilted and pressed down until the clamp is really pinching it. Yes, and hold down. Okay. Okay, I'm install a back cover again. Okay, I will be to turn on my laptop again. Okay, please wait. It is a slowly. Okay, I'm insert my password. Okay, when it's on the desktop, take time RAM by press Windows plus R. Okay, and type TXDR and enter. Okay, please wait. Okay, you can see updating 2 gigabyte and 4 gigabyte, and this is a 6 gigabyte. When it is detected and function normally, please close. Okay. Okay, so many tutorial this time. Thanks for watching and don't forget subscribe guys. Okay, thank you.